Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, following the 3 consecutive bearish days, the Australian dollar still holds above that key support level of the 63.80 where the 60-day simple moving average is. From there, the technicals have stalled in terms of a bearish case and may actually see a rebound. I'm in favour of seeing that and expecting to see a recovery, or at least erase some of these losses over the last 3 days and look back towards around the 65-cent mark. If we do see a close underneath the 63.80 level, then it may see a little bit more downside pressure, but still viewing towards around the low 63 as a potential demand area. Moving on to the euro, the market displayed a firmer outcome on Wednesday, and as we can see, they're still edging towards the higher side of the range, which I feel is going to be around 107.5 to 108 and extending to 109. The dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, was somewhat flat overnight at 105.30. Any weakness should find demand close to around that 106.5. Dollar yen, well, the 3 consecutive days is getting closer to that bear area where we last saw supply emerge. With some divergence coming through here, we can expect to see any upward move above 158 to foul. Along with that, there is still some talk of an intervention possible from the Bank of Japan. Therefore, I still view the market will attempt to take out the level of 148.75. A break there would ignite further stop losses and expose a region of 144.5. A little bit of a firmer stance in terms of how the market was closed in New York for the sterling, and still holding above the midway point, could still see a rise up towards 124. I'm not negative on the pound, and overall the break of this downtrend should include demand to eventually take the challenge upwards. Wrapping up with gold and oil, the market was weaker and now tending to take out this level of 1,950. I'm in favour of seeing this level eventually go. That would expose the region of 1,924 to 26. And any demand, well, I feel after the last 3 days, should be limited. And looking at oil, since the break of $78, we're getting closer towards that call of 74.5. I'm not going to get too negative, as we saw from this bottom side of the range, a start of the trend, and no doubt we could see a correction from there. And if so, a bounce off $74 a barrel, and eventually look through the top side towards 80. Although the trend is somewhat strong, let's see how the market plays and can we expect to see demand here. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.